What is viscosity? Fluid resistance to flow. What causes volcanic eruptions? Pressure from magma. What is a caldera? Large volcanic crater. What gases are released? Water vapor, CO2, SO2. How do volcanoes affect climate? Release greenhouse gases. What is a hotspot? Plume of rising magma. How are volcanoes monitored? Seismometers, gas sensors. What is a ring of fire? Area of high volcanic activity. What is a composite volcano? Tall, cone-shaped volcano. What is a lahar? Mud flow from volcano.